Hello, everybody. All right, this is Diana with Stamping with Di, and twice in one day. Either you're lucky or unlucky to see me twice in one day. All right, so this will be the first drawing for the mini, not this one, a new one, the mini cut and emboss machine, and a set of clear, like an extra set, because it does come with them. Okay, so let me turn the phone. Turn the phone. Gotta be smarter than the phone. That's not always good. It's not always possible. All right, let me make sure I'm in the group. Let's see. Okay, good. Good. All right, so what I want to do is, before I draw, I'm going to go over really quick in case there's some new people, because I'm also going to put this on YouTube. Okay, so I'm close to 900,000 in career sales, so that's what I'm trying to get to. So that's why I'm doing this. So I will be drawing 7 names, because it's going to take, 7,000 to get to the 900K, and in some demonstrators can do that like super quick. I'm not one of those demonstrators. So, but hopefully this will just speed it along. So I have a blog post. If you comment on the blog post, because there's no purchase necessary. If you comment, you have to comment on the blog post that I have this announced, though, and you have to say your name and where you live, because I can only send in the United States, and you can only comment one time. So that's in regards to the comments. So when you order in March, this is the hostess code that you'll use. Unless you are ordering 150 before tax and shipping, then you don't use a code, so that you're your own hostess. Or if you're one of my Stamp Club members, you have your own code. So otherwise, this is the code you will use in March. So when you place an order in my store, your name will go in the bucket one time. If you order 50 before tax and shipping, I always have reward points. So you get a reward point for that. If you order 75 before tax and shipping, you get this as well. And this is the little Flowers Forever Season gems. If you order, I know that's all these things. If you order 100 before tax and shipping, your name will go in the bucket 2 times. Okay? So there we go. All right. So, and I'm just kind of keeping track. I just been checking them off, and ta-da! We got to our 1,000. So I have my little bucket here. So let me flip the phone. Hang on a minute. Let me flip the phone. Flip the phone. All right. So I have my bucket. I know I had said your name goes in the hat, but I really don't have a hat. I have a bucket. So, all right. So let me shake the bucket. I don't want to be looking, but I don't want them to fall out, right? All right, so I'm going to reach in, stir them up, and I want to make sure I only pick one. I have all these horror stories like in my head going, oh my God, what happens if I pick more than one? Okay, so I have a piece. I'm going to shake really good and make sure that I've only got one. Okay, it's just one. All right, who's the name? Can you read that? Jackie Hoagland. All right. Congratulations, Jackie. Okay, so I'm going to write your name down here. So number 1 was Jackie. Jackie. And I will, now, if you live local, always have the opportunity of picking it up. Otherwise, I'm just going to ship it to you. So what I've done is I've written down on here, number 1. All right. So now, Jackie, this does not go back in the bucket, okay? So that I'm going to throw that in the garbage. Well, no, I'll just tape it. I'll tape it onto the thing. I'll tape it on the thing. But everybody else's name stays in the bucket, okay? So now we keep going. So your name never comes out of the bucket. It just stays in the bucket unless you win. So let me explain. I'm going to tape this on my thing. I'm going to tape this on my thingy. All right. I'm going to flip this over. So I'm going to tape it on the thing. All right. So I just taped it on here. Now, if you could have your name in the bucket here, right? More than once. There's quite a few that have more than one ticket in there. So every time you order, you get a ticket. So like I said, those ones stay in the bucket. It's not like, now these ones get tossed. No, your name stays in the bucket throughout the whole thing unless I pick it to win, okay? So every time you order, like based on the rules I just told you, you get, 1 or 2 or 5 or however much, you're earning on your thing. So just make sure if you have any questions in regards to how I'm doing it, just make sure that you ask me, right? Because I've never done this kind of drawing before. So I just want to make sure that if you have any questions, let me know. All right, so congratulations, Jackie. And I will see you all tomorrow for my my What to Make in Wednesdays. All right, night, everybody.